So right now we're going to be looking at how we can create menus, right? Just the same way we have here, menus on our header. Just to have the same way we have here. So we're going to be creating those menus, but don't forget this is a blog. So because of the nature of what we are creating, our menus are going to be we're going to be using the categories we created so that people can easily just navigate and get their way through. So let's get into the menu. So go to backend. I'll basically go to appearance, then menus. All right, so appearance, menus. Then now, okay. Now presently what we have here is, the first thing to note is this edit menu, right? So you have footer links. Now this footer links is what is controlling the menus at the footer, which is what you have here. This one's here, right? So but that's not where we are going. This is where we are going to. So we're just going to go back there and change this to main, right? The main menu. I'll click select. Then you see the main menu will come up now. So we have the main menu here, but presently we have some very funny menus which we don't need showing. So I'm basically going to delete all of them. So just click, remove, click, remove, click, remove, just like that. We're going to do that. All right. So I'm just going to do all of that and come back shortly. Okay, so I'm going to remove the last one. Now, presently I've removed all the menus. So the first menu I'm going to create is to create the home page menu. So I'll just click on this, right? Then I'll put the URL of our home page. Let me just go back to the home page and click to copy my home page link. Copy it and paste it here. Then call the link text home. Right, that's the first menu I'm going to create. So now the other menus to now create are the different categories that we have. So I basically just go under categories. I'll click on view all, right? So I'll pick all these categories that we created and I'll say add to menu. Good, so they're all added to menu. However, you remember that these other ones, email marketing, search engine, and social media marketing are all supposed to be a subcategory of digital marketing. Now, so to create a subcategory, all you need to do is to click on the one you want to make a sub and just drag a little to the right, until you have that. Then you release your mouse, drag a little to the right, you release your mouse, right? A little to the right, you remove your mouse. So that's how you create a subcategory. And if you now want to make, let's say for example, you're trying to make search engine optimization a subcategory of email marketing, all you need to do is to click search engine and drag again to the right, just so that it's indented this way. But we're just going to take it back to the way it was. All right, so we have that. Then let me drag this up. I can drag to just reorder them, right? So I think we are good this way. Yeah, that's fine. So now the next very important thing to choose is the location. Display location is the primary menu, so ensure this is checked, right? Then after that you save. Good, so the moment you save, that means you've successfully created your menu. So we'll go back to our home page and refresh the page. Now we should have that here. Perfect, you can see now. So we have that here. So a quick one, we observe that this color probably might not be a very good blend. I don't know, what do you think? So maybe we should work on that. Okay, let's just quickly do that. Let's quickly do that. Remember how we did that earlier? We'll go to our backend, customize, right? So you go to customize. Then when you get to customize, you quickly go to the theme options, sparkling options. I think that's where we had that earlier. All right, good. So go to sparkling options. Quickly. Let's see header. Okay, I think link nav. Let's see drop down. Oh, perfect. So nav bar drop down background. So I'm going to change the background. Instead of that, I will use a black, right? Then I'm going to make the drop down the item color itself to be like a white. I think that will be perfect then. Yeah, I think that will be good. So now I'll publish that. Then I'll come back and say refresh. And let's see what we have now. Oh, perfect. So that is good now. You see now, it's making more sense this way. So this is actually how you create your menu. So if you click on any of these categories, like we created news earlier. So if I click on news, you see all the contents under news. You're going to see all of them listed there. And the same way for each of the other menus too.